In this question, we are given that PQRT is a rectangle. We have to find the length of the segment PQ. Now, it will be sufficient for us if we can find the value of RT as well, since RT is equal to PQ. Now, let's move on to step 2 and analyze the statement 1. According to the statement 1, the area of the region PQRS, that is equal to 39, and the value of TS equals 6. From here, even if we take variables to find the length of PQ, we will not be able to deduce an answer and get the value of the length of segment PQ. Hence, statement 1 is not sufficient, and out of the given options, we eliminate options A and D. We move on to check the sufficiency of statement 2. According to the statement 2, the area of the region PQRT is equal to 30 and the length QR is equal to 10. Now, PQRT is a rectangle and we know the length QR, which is equal to 10. The area of a rectangle is given by length times width. So, after plugging in the values, we get 30 equals 10 times the width is equal to PQ. This gives us 3 equals PQ or PQ equals 3. Hence, statement 2 is sufficient to find the value of the length of the segment PQ, and thus the correct answer is option B.